Hello beautiful family, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very creamy and delicious passion fruit refresher that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and creamy passion fruit refresher, this is what we need. Heavy whipping cream, evaporated milk, condensed milk, granulated sugar, of course, the passion fruit, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and refreshing refresher. So let's get started. I want to start by first making my simple syrup, and I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I'm putting it here, and I'm going to go straight to the stove and start cooking it. When the water is really see-through just like this and you cannot see the granulated sugar, that means it is done. Put it aside until you're going to use it. And here I want to show you my passion fruit. My passion fruit is really wrinkling all the skin on the outside, but that's exactly how you want it. When it's like this, the texture on the outside is like this, that means that the inside is going to be really juicy and with a lot of flavor. Let me show you how you see all the pulp from the inside, the seeds. When it's nice and wrinkly from all the sides on the outside, but yet from the center you could really see the pulp. The smell of the passion fruit is so concentrated, it's just amazing. Once you cut it open, you could really smell the aroma of the passion fruit. Well, here I am going to continue slicing them through the center, getting all the seeds and the pulp out, putting it here on my glass cup, and you don't want to leave anything behind. Once you open the first one, you could really smell the aroma of the passion fruit. Look at this. I am going to continue slicing the rest of the passion fruit and obtaining all the pulp from the inside. Once I am completely done, look at this. I have about 1 whole cup of the pulp and juice here in this cup. Like I said, when the texture is the way it is now, that means that the inside is going to be so juicy and so penetrated of the passion fruit. You could use it straight like that, the way it is, or you could drain it. Okay, I am going to go ahead and reserve about 3 tablespoons of the pulp, because that's what I'm going to use to garnish my drinks. But I want to show you from close up how thick it is. The color is like an orange. The smell is just amazing. And now I'm going to reserve this. I'm going to add the rest to my blender cup. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And you're not going to blend it too much. You're just going to turn it on and turn it off right away. You just want to get all the juice and all the pulp out of the seed. This is real time. That's exactly how much you need to blend it. You just turn it on and turn it off right away. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how it looks, and I'm gonna put it aside. I'm going to continue with the heavy whipping cream, with the condensed milk, and of course I'm gonna use all the condensed milk. I'm not gonna leave anything behind. I am going to go ahead and add my evaporated milk. So I have the 3 milks here. Look at this. I have the heavy whipping cream, the condensed milk, and the evaporated milk. And to this, I'm going to add the simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. You don't need to add the whole cup of the simple syrup. And here I'm gonna put through a sifter all the mixture of the passion fruit. And let me tell you why I'm doing this, because I obtained 1 whole cup of the passion fruit, and there is too many seeds, and that's exactly what you don't want. You want a little bit of seeds, but not all the seeds. And this is exactly what you want to remove from this amazing and creamy passion fruit refresher. Let me show you from close up how there is a lot of seeds, but yet you obtained all the pulp and all the juice of the passion fruit. Look at this. So we're not going to use this. Once you've added all those amazing flavors in here, taste it. If it needs a little more simple syrup, add it. But to my tasting, this is great. I don't know if you could really see the color of it. It's like an orangey color, a real pastel orange color. It looks amazing. My kitchen smells amazing with the concentrate of the passion fruit. And now I am ready to start adding some more water, and then this is done. This creamy, delicious passion fruit refresher really comes out amazing. I have my glass here. I am going to add enough ice. I'm going to add some of that pulp right on top of the ice. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. It just smells so refreshing, so delicious. Then now I'm ready to pour my creamy mixture. This looks amazing. And now I am ready to prepare my pitcher. Of course, to my pitcher, I'm going to add a lot of ice. I want this refresher to be really nice and cold because it's really hot here in California. And when you make this amazing refresher, you are really going to fall in love with it. The flavor of the passion fruit, the creamy of all the mixtures of the milk, just perfection made at home. Once this is nice and filled, now I'm going to add the pulp of the passion fruit. Remember that we reserved some, so I'm going to add it on the top. I'm going to mix it just a little bit, and I am ready to enjoy this amazing and refreshing refresher. I am ready for the presentation. See you in a bit. friends, I am completely done with this amazing, creamy passion fruit refresher. You know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Look at this. Perfect for this hot weather. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy this refreshing passion fruit creamy refresher. The flavor, it's so intense of the passion fruit is just perfection made at home. You need to make it at home. You need to enjoy it with your beautiful family. I hope, my friends, you give it a chance and you make it at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. I will stay enjoying this delicious, amazing, creamy passion fruit refresher. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.